Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have an update for Firefox web browser. There was a small bug fix that happened today. So Firefox was, of course, introduced as version 136. And usually when there's a new version, there's often little adjustments and the bug fixes. So today we went to 136.0.1. If you go to the hamburger menu on the upper right, go into Help and About Firefox, you'll see that you're pushed to 136.0.1. And this actually fixes two issues. One is a cookie size limit that's causing problems, because if the cookies are going to the maximum limit, what happens is that they can't keep information. So websites you are on might not stay logged on, stuff like that. They might ask you for details or passwords or all sorts of things that, usually you don't have. So this is one of the cookie related bug. And the other one is about a Command L or Control L shortcut that focuses on the address bar that broke in the update. So two minor updates, no security in here, and it will, of course, continue or update itself without you having to interfere. So if you don't really care, you just continue using it. It will anyways update to 136.0.1 at some point. Mine was done automatically. I didn't even have to go check, so it happened today at some point. So it's really just bug fixes for Firefox 136. I see a lot of people saying that they have video playback issues with Firefox, which I haven't used a lot, but I did try it on several websites and don't seem to have that issue. So I don't know exactly what's happening, but it's more than one comment, meaning that maybe there's something there. I don't know. We'll continue checking it out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.